sir. Already you are giving.
Sir, good evening.
Very good evening, students.
Sir, good evening.
Sir, good.
In our last class, we conducted an examination. Yes or no? The examination was basically in grammar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I got the privilege to go through your papers. I evaluated some of the papers. Still some remain without looking them. I hope it will be completed by today night itself. And you will be awarded with marks and your performance by tomorrow morning. आज रात में मुझे बहुत से देखी दीवी, evaluate कर दीवी, काली सखड़े तुमको mark पाई, है ना?
Yes, sir.
I expected it should be done. I expected to do it by today afternoon, today evening itself, but because of some reason I couldn't do it. It remained for it lagged behind for tomorrow. है ना? Tomorrow morning you must be your marks.
Guys,
I shall go through the papers and listed them and send to you the mark. Okay, students. What are the class? What are the course? What are the course we had remain in our previous classes? let me get the last point and we shall run along. Madhuri, last
Sir,
point
that is our double object case. Sorry, sir.
Okay, double object or dative case was over. There are 4 different cases in English. There are 4 different cases in English grammar. English grammar re case va karako 4 prakar ro. The first one is nominative or subjective case. Jako me karta karako boli kahibo. The second one is accusative or objective case. The third one is dative or double object case. In case of double object, one is IO, is another is DO. IO means indirect object, DO means direct object. If it represents a human being, it is indirect object. If it represents anything, it is a direct object. Anything, any event or any matter, it is a direct object. So there are 2 orders to be maintained. There are 2 orders to be maintained to discuss about dative case. One is subject plus verb plus IO plus DO. Another is subject plus verb plus DO plus preposition plus IO. Yes or no? By following these 2 patterns, we can write the sentences in dative case. I mean, dative case to maintain kala bale dita order maintain kariba. Dita pattern ba formula naba. Se pattern dita la subject plus verb plus IO plus DO. Subject plus verb plus DO plus preposition plus IO. IO plus DO ta direct pattern habo. DO plus preposition plus IO है मझे उठे preposition में insertion करियो पड़ेगा to, on, with, for, from, etc. Did you understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Adding something more to it, the last point we are going to discuss on case study. I mean case study पर last point discussion करिवा. The last is genitive case. The last is genitive case. G-E-N-E-T-I-V. Genitive case. What do you mean by the term genitive case? Another name of genitive case is the possessive case. P-O-S-S-E-S-S-I-V. Hello. Genitive means possessive. Genitive means possessive. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Any sound problem, students? Are you unable to hear me? Hello.
No, sir.
Students, are
No,
you
sir.
able to hear me or unable to hear me?
Sir, you are,
Subhuji?
Sir, able to hear.
sir, you are,
Okay.
you are audible properly. Go ahead, please.
Okay. Then we continue. Let's continue. So, genitive case or possessive case. What is possession? First of all, we shall discuss what is possession. Possession means something belongs to someone. Something belongs to someone. I have a pen. It means the pen belongs to me. This is my pen. This is my pen. I have a pen. Have is possessive verb. My is possessive pronoun. It is my possessive. मुझे तो कहीं this is my pen. It might have possessive pronoun. More raw बोली कहूँगी, है ना? जेतले मु आपको कहीं have a pen. Have is possessive verb. So noun can be possessive, verb can be possessive, and pronoun can be possessive. बेले बेले noun possessive निजर possess करी परिबो. possess ess it is a verb. possess शब्दटा होची verb. जाको में शब्द ओडिया कहबा गले देखाई हबा बोली कहंती. निजर बोली अधिकार साब्यस्त करिबा कहंती. त possess बोली कहबा. हला हिज हमें कहूचे बेले बेले हमें कहूचे जे हिज वेरी possessive बोली कहूचे. लोकटा भारी देखेई हुए बोली कहूचे. हला किए कहबो मोर एत्ते बड़ गाड़ी अछि, मोर एत्ते बड़ घर अछि, 5 महला कोठा अछि, हला एति की गोल्ड रिंग अछि, एति की ऑर्नामेंट्स अछि. हमें कहबा जे ही इज वेरी possessive बोली कहबा. द मैन इज वेरी possessive बोली कहबा. हला एबे बुझा पड़ला possessive कहा को कहा जाए. हेलो
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
possessive
Yes, sir.
कहा को कहा जाए. हेलो
Genitive is possessive.
genitive is possessive. Understood? And possess it is derived from the root word possess. possess. Possess is a verb. It means show. It means show. It means acquire. अधिकार करिबा, अधिकार साब्यस्त करिबा, आउ उपस्थापन करिबा, प्रेजेंट करिबा अन्य मान को सामना रे. ताको हम possess बोली कहिबा. So मुझे तेबले प्रोनाउन केस रे कहबी मोरो, तारो, सेमानकर, माई, आवर, देर, हिज, हर, इट्स. These are it's. These are called possessive. एमाने समस्त possessive pronoun. देखो पिला माने एठी हम टिके क्लियर हबा को पड़िबो. तीनटा को सिखिबा को पड़िबो एठी. possessive verb, possessive noun, possessive pronoun. तीनटा को सिखिले जाय कि हमें genitive case टा को completely acquire निज आयत को आनी परिबा. It is a big part to be discussed. एटा टिके बडो अंशटा डिस्कस करिया पई बोली. So have patience and discuss. देखो पिला माने आमे कहूचे मो मामू बोली कहूचे, माय अंकल बोली कहूचे. Yes or no?
Yes.
My uncle बोली कहूचे.
Yes, sir.
अंकल डाला नाउन, माय डाला कोन possessive adjective टा. एबे आमे adjective बोली भी गोटे शब्द हम पाखु पळि आसिना. तेनो तीनटा नहै केटा चारिटा हे गला. possessive चारि प्रकार वर्ड रे इफेक्ट ला. हम जो 8 प्रकार वर्ड अछि noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection अछि. ता भितरु चारि प्रकार वर्ड रे possession दा रहला बा possessive रहला. कौन रहला देखो. फर्स्ट वन इज noun, second one is pronoun, third one is verb, fourth one is adjective. There are 4 different kinds of possessive words in English grammar. English grammar रे चारि प्रकार रो possessive word अछि. कौन चारि प्रकार रो possessive word अछि पिला माने.
Noun, pronoun,
Noun,
verb,
pronoun, verb,
Noun,
adjective.
pronoun, verb.
आज हमें चारि प्रकार रो possessive सिखिबा. ता भितरो हमर जो पाठ होची genitive case बा possessive case noun रो सेटा भी सिखिबा. हैला माने रहला कोन हम आज पढिबा. Hello students.
Genitive
What shall we
case
discuss
and
today?
noun, pronoun, verb,
We shall
adjective.
discuss noun and
Case are
possession,
possessive case.
pronoun and possession, verb and possession, and adjective and possession.
Adjective and possession.
चारिटा कर possession form को हम आज पढ़िबा. हैला let's start the possession of noun. हमें noun नाडू स्टार्ट करिबा. हैला ना pronoun रो फर्स्ट स्टार्ट कर दबा. pronoun दा सारी दबा noun को जीवा. हैला देखो पिला माने आई होची हमर पर्सनल प्रोनाउन होची 7टा. देयर आर 7 पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस. देयर आर 11 काइंड्स ऑफ प्रोनाउंस. प्रोनाउन 11 प्रकार रो अछि. आउट ऑफ देम द फर्स्ट काइंड ऑफ प्रोनाउन इज कॉल्ड पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. से 11 प्रकार प्रोनाउन रो फर्स्ट काइंड ऑफ प्रोनाउन को पर्सनल प्रोनाउन बोली कहा जाय. सो पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. सो पर्सनल प्रोनाउन has its own form. हैला it derivates into different forms. It nominalizes into different forms. एटा तार रूपांतरीकरण होई थाए. देखो पोजेशन केमति है. पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस को गुडा पर्सनल प्रोनाउन हम टिके देखि दबा. आई, हैला वी, यू,
You, he, they.
he, she, it, they. Hello? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 are called personal pronoun. ये 7 को हमें personal pronoun बोली कहिबा. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These 7 are called personal pronoun. ये 7 हेले हमर personal pronoun. We shall convert them. We shall nominalize them into their possessive form. हमें pronoun रो possessive form आनिबा. I कहले मो कहले मोरो कहले माई, और mine, mine कहले मोरो, माई कहले मोर. हला माई कहले मोरो, mine कहले मोर. एति ढाला I रो possessive form, pronoun रो possessive form. Second असला we रो ours. मने रखिताओ. We रो ours. Both are possessive. You रो yours. He रो his. She रो her. It रो its. They रो their. These words are called possessive words. This word गुड़ा को possessive word. Understood? Hello?
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First we got clear the possessive words. एबे हमें कौन क्लियर हले? Possessive pronouns. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Now
sir.
we got clear with possessive pronouns. एबे हमें possessive pronoun विषय रे क्लियर हले. हाँ ना नहीं?
Yes, sir.
तो केते बेले माने पोजे देखाओ. एडी my mine सची, our सची, yours सची. हला he रो him, she रो her, it रो its, they रो they. फर्स्ट तीनटा को देखो, फर्स्ट तीनटा डबल आछी ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
फर्स्ट तीनटा डबल आछी. कोन आछी ना mine, ours, yours.
फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर से
नाही एथिरे सिंगुलर प्लुरल किछि नाही. फर्स्ट रे खाली साइलेंट रे सुनो. माइडा, आवर, योर, हिम, हिज, इट्स, देयर. ए माने कोन होई परिबे ना एडजेक्टिव भी होई परिबे. ए माने पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव होई परिबे आ कोन होई परिबे ना पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन भी होई परिबे. हला both the things they can be proved by their uses. से माने व्यवहार बड़े प्रमाणित कर दियंती जे से माने the same words can be possessive pronoun as well as the possessive adjectives. से माने ही possessive pronoun ही परिबे, से माने ही possessive adjective ही परिबे. All of you clear? Hello students.
Yes, sir.
What are the possessive
Yes,
pronouns
sir.
and possessive adjectives together? What are the possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives together?
Mine,
कोई उड़ा possessive pronoun और adjective एक साथ नहीं
Mine,
पड़ेगा.
ours,
Mine,
and
our,
yours.
your,
yours.
him, hot.
एबे हम टिके देखि दबा. पिला माने टिके देखि दबा. आगो सेंटेंस अप्लाई करी देखि दबा केते बेला adjective केते बेला pronoun. देखो. This is mine बोली कोची. एटा मोरो बोली कहला. This is mine. एटा मोरो. हला एबे pronoun हला. This is mine. एटा मोरो. Hello, this pen is mine. ए कलम टा मोरो. Possessive pronoun यूज करी. हला this is yours. एटा तुमरो. Possessive pronoun यूज करी. It is theirs. Theirs relation. It is theirs. Possessive pronoun. हला सेमती her रे hers. him रे him ना एटा भूल कहि दिछि मु. his करो. हला your रे yours. ए जो s लाइछि mine, yours, ours, yours, his, her, its, theirs. एते कहूछि possessive pronoun. एते कहूछि possessive pronoun. माने रहला.
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
लिखि दियो सेपरेटली. हला mine, ours, yours, his, her, its, theirs. Possessive pronoun. एमाने वाक्य रे pronoun भावे व्यवहार है। अर्थ noun नथिला बेले noun बदल रे एमाने व्यवहार है। noun नथिला बेले noun बदल रे एमाने व्यवहार है।
Subhadam, sir.
Okay, I am telling. Okay, I am telling. Hello, students. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What are the possessive pronouns? गोटे क्लियर होला possessive pronoun कौन?
Yes, sir.
ये possessive pronoun कहला? Possessive pronoun मते हाँ
yours, each, her, its,
Mine,
their.
our,
ना बोलेला
it's their.
mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, theirs. ऐसे लगे हम लोग pronoun होटन है ना? बुझिला?
Sir, each, her, there is a habon na?
अरे माँ कहूची जोटा सेटा लेखिने तापर आसिला possessive adjective गोटे आमे कहूचे beautiful flower बोली कहूचे ना माँ
Yes,
हेलो
sir.
अच्छा flower ता noun beautiful ता adjective ना happy child young man intelligent boy बोली कहूचे a word that is a word that qualifies the noun being before it is called adjective but the noun रो पूर्वुर रही कि ताको qualify करथवा word को adjective कहा जाए am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? Beautiful flower, happy child, young man, intelligent student. So second word ta noun सब बड़े ता पूर्व word ta adjective सब बड़े. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
My
sir.
pen बोली कहली. Pen is a noun. What is my? My pen. Pen is a noun. What is my?
Pronoun.
No, not pronoun. Possessive adjective.
Adjective.
Possessive adjective. Hello? Something called as my father, my brother, my house. All are possessive adjective plus person. A possessive adjective plus common noun. ठीक से रुकिए असिला our family. Possessive pronoun. A possessive adjective. Hello? Your bag. Possessive adjective. His house. As his friends.
Possessive adjective.
Hello? Her books. Possessive adjectives. Hello? Its wings. Possessive adjectives. Hello? Their names. Possessive adjectives. All of you clear with the two things? One is a possessive pronoun and another is a possessive adjective. एबे दीटा जिनस हमें जानी पड़ले? कौन जानी ले?
Possessive pronoun, possessive
Possessive
adjective.
pronoun, possessive adjective.
Possessive adjective. है ना? एबे देखियो possessive verb कोडा. Possessive verb कोडा. अच्छा पिला माने हमें किसी काम पार्टी रे करू, किसी काम हाथ रे करू.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
किसी काम गोड़ रे करू. अच्छा खाइबा कामटा कोउथरे करू.
हातरे.
इतने स्लो काहे होची साउंड मते भी तम साइड साउंड सुना जाउनी. हेलो
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हां सुबिला एबे देखो पॉजिटिव वर्ब्स को गुडा को देखिबा. पॉजिटिव वर्ब कहले आमे किछि काम हाथ रे करछे, किछि काम गोड़ रे करछे, किछि काम आखि रे करछे, किछि काम पाटी रे करछे. बट some works are being done by our brain आउ किछि काम हम ब्रेन रे करूछ माना नाही
Yes, sir.
खाइबा कामटा
Yes, sir.
खाइबा कामटा कोथिरे करछे कहलो
ହାତରେ
आउ पाट्री भी ने देखिबा कामटा
आखिरे
आखिरे
बाडे बाडे कामटा
हातरे sir.
ହାତରେ
हातरे गोडरे
अच्छा भाबिबा कामटा भाबिबा कामटा
मुंडरे
ବ୍ରେନ୍ରେ
mind
चिंता करिबा कामटा
ବ୍ରେନ୍ରେ
first କଥା କାଢ दबो all of you go mute okay students अच्छा हमें भाबिबा चिंता करिबा इच्छा करिबा आशा करिबा yes or no we are doing something by
Yes,
using
sir.
our
Yes,
brain these are called because our mental is used because our mental or brain is used they are applied there that's why they are called mental perception verbs जेहेतु हम मन से व्यवहार होची तेन तक हमें मेंटल परसेप्शन वर्ब बा मन संक्रांतीय क्रिया बोली कहबा हला ताको मन संक्रांतीय क्रिया बोली कहबा in this mental perception verbs there are a set of words which are called there are a set of verbs which possess हला ता भितरे एमति किछि वर्ब अछन जा कि पोजेशन करूची मोर अछि तार अछि हला एबा एमति थिला बोल से कुछ I have it have to the possession it belongs to belong to the possession है it contain होची possession hello
yes sir
contain belong have has I have he has है he she had it possesses it contains it belongs these are called possessive verbs ए माने कोन अटंती मोर अछि मोर थिला जनकर अछि जनकर थिबो एम्ति बोली कहिला बेले ताहा वर्ब ऑफ पोजेशन है बताऊ पोजेसिव वर्ब बोली कहिबा एबे बुझा पड़ला नाउन कोन प्रोनाउन कोन और वर्ब ए प्रोनाउन कोन एडजेक्टिव कोन और वर्ब पोजेसिव कोन
yes sir
जनकर अछि बोली कहिला बेले ताहा पोजेसिव वर्ब बटे हला बेसिकली हैव हैज हैड having have has had having हला ता से तो belong contain possess हला
pronoun रे टिके कोंतो pronoun रे टिके कोंतो
pronoun कहि मात्रे first mine ours yours his hers its theirs एता का pronoun ए माने सबले ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म रे हला न तो सब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म रे इंडिपेंडेंटली व्यवहार है माने नाउन पूर्वरु के व्यवहार है ना प्रोनाउन के नाउन पूर्वरु हबनी मा नाउन बदल रे हबो ए प्रोनाउन इज यूज्ड इंस्टेड ऑफ ए नाउन एज इट्स सब्स्टिट्यूशन नाउन रा सब्स्टिट्यूशन भावे नाउन बदल रे व्यवहार हबो नॉट एज द इट इज नॉट यूज्ड बिफोर द नाउन टू क्वालिफाई हला नाउन को क्वालिफाई करिया पे ता पूर्व व्यवहार ले ताको एडजेक्टिव कहिबा नाउन न थाई कि से डायरेक्टली व्यवहार हबो नाउन प्लेस रे ताको प्रोनाउन बोली कहिबा तन करी माने हला माइन आवर्स योर्स हिज हर इट्स देयर्स आर द possessive pronouns ए माने possessive pronoun अटन क्लियर हेलो
yes sir
ओके आ जेतलो फर्स्ट फॉर्म गुडा का आसीबो एडजेक्टिव अटंती हला जेतले have आसीबो हैज आसीबो हेड आसीबो belong contain possess आसीबो से माने कोन अटंती possessive verb अटंती एबे तीनटा कैटेगरी बुझिला हेलो
yes sir
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
the last one is
Yes,
noun
sir.
now the thing we are going to discuss is noun एबे हमें जोटा डिस्कस करबा सेटा ला नाउन हला द possessive nouns now
sir possessive verb किछि एग्जांपल दो
Delibera, I have a car, he has a book, she has a house. Hello?
yes sir
Hello?
yes sir
I have a car, he has a house. Hello? It belongs to me that contains this much. Hello? The barrel contains 25 liters of oil. He possessed a new car. Only one thing remains, that is noun, what we are going to discuss now. एबे हम जोटा डिस्कस करिवा सेटा ला possessive form of noun, हला, और we may call it cash. हम ताको cash बोली भी कही परिवा, हला. There are two cases, there are two genitive cases or two possessive cases. Possessive case दुई प्रकार हो, हला. Noun has two possessive case, हला. If the noun says something belongs to it is called. If the noun says something belongs to it, if the noun shows its possession is called possessive noun. हला, possessive case of noun. जेतेबेले noun possession करिवो, noun show करिवो, this is mine, this belongs to me, this remains to me, हला, it is called possessive noun. जेतेबेले हम ताको possessive noun बोली कहिबा, हला. अच्छा, when a noun possesses something is called possessive noun. When a noun possesses something, when a noun possesses something, हला, और claims something बोल लिखी दे पर, possess जगह claims भी लिखी पर, हला, possess something, show something, claims something.
सर रिपीट करूँ सर.
केते थोड़ा रिपीट करी भी है, 5 थोड़ा लानी. Okay, लेखो. When a noun possesses something, bracket लेखो, allows a, possess something, represent something, show something, हला. When a noun possesses something, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
When a noun possesses something, it's called possessive noun. It's called possessive case of noun. It's called possessive case or genitive case of noun. सेतेबेले हम ताको noun रो possessive case बा genitive case बोली कहिबा, ना. जो ओडिया रे हमर थिला जन जगिए अधिकरण कारक बोली.
Yes sir.
हेलो.
Yes sir.
ओडिया रे कर्ता कारक, कर्म कारक, करण कारक, संपादन कारक, उपादान कारक, अधिकरण कारक, संबोधन कारक. एथि ए कारक गुडा भितर गोटे कारक थिला कोन अटे ना अधिकरण कारक. स्थान अधिकरण करिवा, स्थान अधिकार करियो को अधिकरण कारक बोली कहवा जाय. ठीक सेमति का नाउन जेतेबेले अधिकार सब्यस्त करे ताको अधिकरण कारक बा. हम इंग्लिश रे कहबा जेनेटिव केस बा पॉजिटिव केस बोली कहबा. क्लियर?
Yes sir.
बुझा पड़ला एथर कोन डाइडा?
Yes sir.
तो हमें आवता ऊपर अधिक कहबो गेले, there are two kinds of possessive nouns. There are two kinds of possessive nouns, or there are two kinds of हला possessive case of noun. Possessive case of noun दा दुई प्रकार रोटे. Possessive case of noun होची दुई प्रकार रोटे. One is obgenitive, s-genitive. Another is obgenitive. हला पिला माने देखा जाउची. Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
कौन लिखिली मु बोर्ड कौन लिखिली? There are two kinds of genitives as there are two kinds of genitive case of noun, or they are as
S-genitive, obgenitive.
S-genitive, obgenitive. केतेबेले S-genitive होतिबो, केतेबेले obgenitive होतिबो. देखिबा हम टिके, हला. को केस रे S-genitive लागियो, को केस रे obgenitive. अच्छा पिला माने मु तुम गोटे जिंस देखेबी, हला. डोंट माइंड. टिके गोटे मिनिट. What is this in front of you? एडा कौन था?
Television.
What is this?
Chair.
What is this?
Chair, sir.
What is this? This one.
The leg
What
of
is
chair.
this one?
Kura.
The leg of
What
chair.
is
The
this?
leg of chair.
Now look at here. What is this?
It is a knee.
Leg.
It is knee, sir.
Knee.
Okay, what is this?
It is yours
Maybe
leg.
এটা-
Leg and chair.
Leg, sir.
Okay, leg of the chair. Leg of the chair.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Teacher's leg.
No, sir.
Teacher's
Sir.
leg.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Sir.
Okay, it is the basic difference. Teacher's leg is a noun, silent. Hello. Leg is a
Sir,
noun. Leg of ये बात करना सुनो first.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Students, all of you go mute. अभय सावत. अभय सावत. First of all, you go mute. From the experiment, from the previous experiment, we came to know that there are two legs. One is a teacher's leg, another is a leg of the chair. आउथरे किए मसे एटा कथा होची है से पिला गुडा करे मानु नै कि पाठ पढे हो आकाश teacher's leg and leg of the chair. Two things we discussed from the experiment. Experiment we learned two things from the discussed experiment. जो experiment हम discussion कले सेतिरो हम दीटा जिंस सीखि पाले. One is teacher's leg, another is leg of the chair. Hello, chair is inanimate thing and teacher is a living being. Chair is inanimate thing and teacher is a living being. Hello, teacher जने मनीष अटंती, chair गोटे निर्जीव. तो निर्जीवर गोड़ बोली कहले जीवर गोड़ बोली कहले हैला मनीषर गोड़ बोली कहला बेले टीचर्स लाइक शिक्षक गोड़ रे एस जेनेटिव लागिला मात्र चेयर रो गोड़ रे ऑफ जेनेटिव लागिला हैला लेग ऑफ द चेयर बोली कहला लेग ऑफ द चेयर बोली कहला वॉल ऑफ द हाउस डोर ऑफ द हाउस हैला व्हील ऑफ द कार page of the book, clip of the pen. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hello. These are
Yes, sir.
whenever something suggests, yes, it a group रे party कोची है. It irritates the teacher.
Deepa, go on mute. While you are coming on mute repeatedly.
Yes, students. Let's see. एबे हमें देखिगा. Teacher's leg and leg of the chair. Chair रो गोड़ो, teacher को गोड़ो. दीटा को गोड़ो, leg गला. Leg is noun, common noun. Leg a common noun. But leg is represented in two different orders. One is in one part leg is associated to the living being, in another part it is associated to a non-living being. Chair is non-living being and teacher is living being. हैला शिक्षक living being हेतिबरु ता सहित कोन लागिला s लागिला s लागिला chair non-living being हेतिबरु ता सहित of लागिला एथिरु हम गोटे जिंस सिखिले जे with non-living beings generally we are using of genitive to make it possessive. And in case of living beings, we are using S genitive to make it possessive. S genitive means S like you command